What's a woman?
A girl.
That's right. I just figured that.
A woman is a girl, Charlie? Come here, Charlie.
I guess Sam just told him.
Weatherman is here.
Hey, no hitting. Come here.
Y'all are rough.
No hitting. Say yes, sir.
Sir, we were just punching.
No punching.
We were just punching. That's a synonym for hitting.
This?
Punching is hitting.
Are you videoing
Yeah,
this?
it's a synonym for hitting.
He's a, you have to be very specific.
Yes.
Oh, you are.
And then even if you're specific, he may or may not be listening to you.
Oh, darn, he has a heart attack.
You're throwing cars at him. That's hitting. He just got in trouble. Now y'all are quiet now that I'm videoing y'all.
Yeah, of course.
Get that camera out of my way. Wait. Okay. Let me see. Let me see.
Okay, hang on. Look at Sam.
Get that thing away from me.
Ah! He's throwing stuff at our camera. Well, who's that?
Daddy.
Oh.
Can I do that?
No. I gotta do it. I gotta hold it. Get out of there. We're videoing.
Charlie, stop grabbing.
Can I have it?
No, you can't have it.
Move it somewhere else.
Well, you didn't. Okay. Well, where would you like me to move it?
Right there.
We're getting him. Where'd he go? There's Sam.
Help me.
Go run with him so I can video you. Run it.
Wait,
Go
no,
do
I
the
know
running
what
of
to
the
do.
bulls.
I know what to do. Nobody will know that I'm a great.
You're a crazy man?
No, I'm a bad guy.
You're a bad guy? Sam, that's funny.